Hey guys, my boy Sugi. Just got this today. This is basically, I guess, an unboxing for the Griffin PowerDuo Reserve USB charge and backup battery. This is the box. You can get it at AT&T. I'm not too sure if you can get it at the Apple Store. But yeah, this is how it basically is. I'm not too sure if there's anything in here. But we got the car charger. Let's see. It's got like some plastic wrapping on it. Let's see if I can get it off. Okay, get the plastic off. Take off that bottom part. This is what charges your battery on your iPhone. I'm using my iPhone right now. I'm not at home, so I can't. Oh, that's unique. It has a magnet, so you don't even have to worry. It goes straight in, and you can also charge your regular iPhone with the USB cable. Let me get that, it's over here. You can use your wall charger, your regular wall charger, and I'm trying to do it with one hand, I'm sorry. But yeah, get it in there. Hold on, I'll just use two hands on this. Yeah, there it is. The USB cable in it. It goes in upside down, like how usually you can put in everything in with the symbol upwards. You have to flip it upside down in order to put it in. As you can see. And this is the, get out of the way, wall charger. There's your prongs for your wall charger. It does use magnets to hold it in. And you also have your USB. So if you have a phone that you need to charge already, there it is. Let's take off this plastic piece. Hold on. But yeah, whoever watches my videos, sorry for not doing a video in like forever. But yeah. It says Griffin on top of there. It has some words on top of here, but I don't think you can make it out. But it says Power Block Reserve 2009 Griffin technology, designed in Tennessee, assembled in China. Oh, let's see if it works good. But it charges by the magnets on there. So yeah, I'm gonna go see if it does good, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. Alrighty, my boy Sugi with the review. Sorry, that's my baby crying in the back of the Griffin PowerDuo. Alrighty. Yeah, and this is your manual, I guess, on how to do everything. Yeah. Alrighty, sheets. Allah.